project. So I made a homepage and explore page here. You have every login and sign up functionality also. This is the homepage. I made it creative using the tools that are required, like Bolt New I use actually. And coming to the this is the main code actually also. And if you see here, I have some I have kept some stale data here also. I have created different cards for different images that you can see here. And we can also see here, if you go to this now, you can see here something like this basically. If you see here, you can see classic chocolate chip cookies actually. You can see the description, the collaborators who are there, the ingredients. The ingredients also I have two types. One is to measure it in an extra instrument also. Adding two, like you can see, like some people it's like I need 2 cups of flour, or we need also to measure the quantity also in grams. And I also provide the instructions here. And for each instruction, I also actually provided a timer. It's an optional timer here actually. And here in optional timer also, I would have added a music actually. So what happens is that many people enjoy music so far. So what I'm thinking is that when they are actually cooking it in steps, they can enjoy a timer along with the music that is playing along with the timer. I'll show you the music also. Let's say we are just starting. Like keep playing, playing, playing. I'll keep on playing. You can stop the timer. And you will from that point only. After that, stop the music. The timer will keep going on. The music will stop also. So these type of setups I have added actually. And also, if you see the timer is still going on, reset the timer here. Again, can reset the timer. So I'll show you whenever a timer completes. No, I'll show what will happen at that point also. This is a 1 minute timer. I'll just show you how it happens for this. Just the time is being completed. Things to resume also. So the time is up. You get alarm like this. It will play for just for 5 seconds only. After that, it will directly stop, and you can see the everything like this. Also, share this recipe button. The link will be copied and directly show it after that directly. Now let's simulate this all. We'll create 2 users, and using those users, we'll try to create all these things right now. So first we'll sign up one user. We'll name him as Jashwant, and his email as jashwant12@gmail.com. We'll try to enter a wrong password once. We'll try to enter 1234 and 1234. We'll try to enter this password Jashwant13 and Jashwant13, and now we'll create an account for this. So the registration is successful here actually. So you can see the user also, you can see you can go to the profile, you can update the profile, you can update the profile image also. So the for profile image actually, I actually added a image directly. So we can directly take this, let's take this image, simple image. We'll take this URL of this image and we'll just add this. So the image is directly displayed here directly, and we can just click on save changes. The changes are saved already. And now if you come to the recipes right now, we'll try to create one recipe right now. Okay, so what we'll do is that we'll click on one. You can see here my recipes, collaborations, and invites. So basically what happens is that we invite other people to collaborate on recipes also. So what happens is that you can create a recipe, send a collaboration mail to other people by you can have their mail account, and by using the mail account, send their collaboration invite to the other person. So I'll just show you the steps also. So what we'll basically do is that we'll create a biryani. So in this biryani, let's say it's a may flavorful flavorful uh, flavorful rice with rich aroma, made with chicken. Okay, we'll make these simple things, and we'll add a URL for this also. We're taking this URL, so we'll add this URL. We'll add this image URL for this. The cooking time we'll add it as 30 minutes and servings as 2 servings, just for simulating. And it comes under non-veg, and will comes it as rice item. So we are adding 2 tags right now. Can make it public or not public also. So next we'll add ingredients right now. Basic info, ingredients, and steps. And directly go back to basic info. Again come back to add ingredients. So we'll add ingredients. For ingredients we'll add rice. Quantity of rice, let's say we need rice 5 cups of rice, and we'll alternate quantity also, we need kg. Let's say 10 cups of rice equals to 2 kgs, you can assume. Okay, and we can add another new ingredient. Let's say we need chicken. Chicken we need, let's say, one whole chicken. And let's say we need another instrument. We can say like we can say 1 kg of chicken. Okay, so we'll basically add these 2 ingredients, and we'll go to the next steps. Let's write some small instructions for these also. First we have to actually clean the chicken. Okay, that's the first step. Next step is we need to actually uh, add masala and cook the chicken with it to make it more flavorful. Let's say it will take about 10 minutes, and we'll add next step. In this step, what we will do is that we need to cook the chicken with rice in layers and let it sit for some time. So let's say it will take about 10 minutes. Okay, now we'll take it about, like, let's say 10 minutes. And finally we'll add your rice is your biryani is done. Enjoy. Okay, and we'll add time as 1 minute of time for this, and we'll just click on create recipe. Okay, so now the recipe is created right now. So this email, if you see the email, the name of this person is biryani is created by Jeshwant. The profile picture is also there. It takes about 30 minutes to create biryani. And if you go to the profile image and see the profile image also, so we log in using this jeshwant12@gmail.com. We'll log in using another person right now. We'll just log out and we come to sign up. Now let's create another person. His name is Rohit. Rohit12@gmail.com. Rohit12, Rohit123 and 3. Okay. Now we'll create an account using this. So basically, right now we create a new account. The account name is Rohit, and this profile picture also there. We'll just click one more profile picture for this guy also. Let's see this. Let's say this profile picture, and let's add profile picture for that guy also, and we'll just save this. And it is updated, and we'll come to home here. Basically, you can see the biryani is already displayed. He's created by Jasmine is displayed here. Since it is a public one, you can see that thing directly here, and we can come to explore option. Now let's say I want something that is only main course. Okay. Let's say I want chocolate. So this will be displayed only. This part will be displayed. I want a biryani only. So biryani will be displayed. And I can also have a filter by tags also. You basically filter by desert like that. And basically filter like this also. So right now what we need is that Jeshwant, the user Jeshwant needs to collaborate with this user Rohit so that both can actually edit in the same recipe. So let's come back. Let's log out as Rohit and we'll log in as Jeshwant. Okay. Jeshwant12@gmail.com and Jeshwant12. So we have login. We logged in right now. So the biryani is there. We'll go to biryani and we have these options here. This is edit option. This is for editing and all. Chicken, flavorful rice with chicken and let's say spices. Okay, and we'll just next and we'll just update recipe. Okay, the recipe is updated. Chicken and spices is updated. Now we'll add collaboration also. So the another person that we made is his name is Rohit12@gmail.com and we'll just send invitation to him. So the invitation is sent to that guy. Now we need to log out from this user and we'll come back to Rohit12@gmail.com and Rohit and we'll log in as Rohit. Okay. And see the invites are there here actually. So this guy actually invited you to collaborate on biryani. So we'll just accept it. And if you go to collaborations, you can see the collaborations are there. You can see collaborations. Now we can even edit on this collaboration right now. We'll just do a small edit on this. We'll just go to ingredients and we'll just say we'll add one more ingredient. We'll add ingredient as we need spices. I need one pinch of spices and it must be like around 10 grams. And we'll just next step and we'll just update the recipe. So if you see, we add new spices here actually. So this is a form of collaboration that can be done between different users also. You can observe right now. So this is one thing that we have done so far. And if you come, these are the things that we can see so far. And these are the total images and everything. We can directly sign up and log in, and everything is done so far. Now I'll explain you about the code right now. We'll go at code what to also once. Basically, okay. So we have components like this. Components, context, pages, services, and like this actually. So if you see the services now, we have created a small stale data for just for purposes actually. We have a private tools where only authenticated users can actually come in. We have a footer, layout, and navbar. Recipe, we have a collaborator model, invite card, recipe card. Like that we also have like these things actually. I created different approaches actually, so that I also use TypeScript only for this. Only TypeScript because it's more eventful and also more powerful actually. Also, this is the product I have shown you is already deployed on Vercel actually. So it is being deployed on Vercel and we made live changes here right now. That is one thing. And next, like I can say, you can talk about the pages also. We have create recipe page, edit recipe page, explore, home, login, my recipe, profile, and all these pages also. So this is basically setup of all these things actually. So this is our total project that I have done so far. Thank you.